Thinking about deleting your X account? Stop right there because one wrong tap can keep your account alive for another 30 days. Here's the exact step-by-step way to delete your X account the right way in 2026. First, open the X app or go to x.com and log into the account you want to remove. Then tap the menu. Go to Settings and Privacy. Open your account and select Deactivate your account. That deactivation step is the first part of permanently deleting your account. Now here is the part most people miss. X gives you a 30-day deactivation window. If you do not log back in during that time, the account gets permanently deleted. If you log in again, the account can reactivate. Before you hit deactivate, make sure you download any data you want to save, because X says you need to request that before deactivation. Also, if you have any paid X subscriptions, deactivation does not automatically cancel every subscription, so check those first. Once you confirm deactivation, do the simplest thing in the world. Do not log in for 30 days. After that period, your account is permanently deleted. Your username is no longer tied to that account, and it can become available again. If this saved you time, drop a like and subscribe for more quick tech guides. That actually makes sense.